The third examples under factorization method. Our A here is 2, our B is -4, and our C equals to -6. Now we find our CA. Our CA is -6 times 2 is going to give us -12. Our B is what? -4. Now what are the factors of 12? Like we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. We're going to have 1 times 12, which will give us 12. We are going to have 2 times 6, which is also what? 12. 3 times 4 is going to be what? 12. But mind you, this place is what? Negative. So it means that either one of the two numbers, like we know, minus times plus must give me minus, and plus times minus is also minus. So it means that either of the two numbers will be what? Minus. So it can be 1 times -12, it can be 2 times -6, or -3 times 4. One of them must give me minus, and one will be what? Positive. The two numbers cannot be positive because our CA is negative. Now, if I do 1 plus 12 is 13, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 4 is 7. This one does not even, is not up to this place now. You have 13, you have 8, you have 7. No one equal this one. Now let's do 1 and plus -12. This one is going to give me -11. If I do 2 plus -6, I'm going to have -4. If I have 3 plus -4, I'm going to have -1. Now we have seen our answer. If I add 2 and -6, I'm going to have -4. If I say 2 times -6, I'm going to have -12. So it means these factors here, 2 and -6 is the factor. 2 times -6, -12. 2 plus -6, I'm going to have -4. It is these two numbers which is empty as 2x and -6x. I'm going to insert it. Therefore, I'm going to have 2x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. So I'm going to have 2x squared plus 2x minus 6x minus 6 is going to give us 0. So this one will let us to know that there are some rules. In the first one, our first example, our CA is positive and our B is also what? Positive. It means the two numbers we are going to have will be positive values. The second example that we did, our CA is positive and this place is negative. It means that the two numbers will be negative. Now the third example that we are into now, our CA is a negative values here. This is 6 times -2, and our B is what? Negative. It means one of the two numbers will be negative. One will be positive, one will be negative. The negativity now depends on this number. If this number here is negative, then it means that the bigger number will have negative sign. If the B sign is positive, it means that the bigger number will have positive sign. Now let's continue with solving. Then you pick this first two, and you pick this first two, and you pick this last two. So what do you have in common as usual? You have 2x. What is remainder? X plus 1. 2 times 1, 2. X times x, x squared. 2 times 1, 2. X times 1, x. Like I said, whatever you have here, you are going to have here. Now let's try 6. If I put 6 here, 6 times x, 6x, no. 6 times 1, 6, no. So let me put my negative here. Minus 6 times x, minus 6x. Minus 6 times 1, minus 6. All equals to 0. From this place, I'm going to have 2x minus 6 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. So 2x, we are going to take this negative to the other side, becomes what? 6. We are going to have x equals to 6 over 2, which is 3. Also, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to -1. Thank you.